Hope you're doing totally awesome today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play 3 really easy songs to build up your pinky strength. You're going to need your pinky to play guitar and really hit a bunch of different strings and notes and advance and keep progressing. But these are going to make it fun and easy. That was Pretty Woman by Roy Orbison. And then I've got a version of Thunderstruck by AC/DC, Peace of Mind by Boston, and I've got a bonus one at the end for you. So they're all really guaranteed to just help you, get stronger and better and hit the notes correctly when you need to. So let's get into it. We'll start here with that Pretty Woman song. And this one's cool because it starts on the bass notes. It's a way to sort of work your way down here, and later on we'll go up there for AC/DC. Hit the open A string twice, and now you need your pinky on the 4th fret. So here it's pretty easy. Now this finger on the 2nd fret of the A string and pinky on the 5th. So you're going pinky to the 4th to the 5th of that A string. So just practice that a bunch of times. Does that a couple times, then it goes. Now what's pretty cool about this is right when you hit that one that time, you go 3rd finger on the 4th fret of the D string, this finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, and then open D string. But what's hard here, when you do it quicker, that note, now I switched to my pinky, you don't have to do that, is that note sometimes doesn't hit real well. Hear that little buzz? So the second time around, because you have to get right there so fast, that one can buzz out. So practice that. Do it until you hit them really cleanly, all of them, and then it explodes into the A major, Pretty Woman, G sharp minor, A major, Pretty, Don't Walk On By, G sharp minor, no, F sharp minor, sorry, D, E major, back down to that part right there. All right, let's do Thunderstruck by AC/DC. Technically, Angus Young isn't even using the right hand. Doing all that, and you can do that. That's pretty fun to do. So let's show that first. 4th fret of the high E string, just hammer it on and pluck it off. And now pinky on the 7th fret of the E string and pull it off. Sorry. But if you pick it, that one's a pretty cool one. And whether you put your thumb back here or over here, don't put too much pressure. You don't want to hurt your wrist. You can pick them all or just do every other one with your pick. And then go up 1 fret on each one. So 5th, 8th, 5th, 8th. And if you get going fast, it sounds cool. If you want, just sort of play around. You can sort of pick around, just play around like that. You can also come up to the 12th fret. And just sort of goof off, but try to work that pinky into those things by going a fretted one and then an open one. Fretted one, open one, whatever you want to. Basically, you can just goof around on the E string, but that's a quick way to mix in some fingers, but keep that pinky going. All right, let's go to Peace of Mind by Boston. It goes, and he goes, oops, sorry. This one, we'll start on the 6th fret of the D string. Cool. I didn't even hit the right note there. So 4th fret of the A string is where you're in like a C sharp minor right there. But we're going to start on that 6th fret of the D string, go down 2 frets to the 4th fret, and now here's where the pinky comes in. 7th fret of the A string, 4th fret of the A string. So try that. Sorry. Pretty cool. A couple of times, go to the 6th, 7th. Now with your pinky, there's your pinky again on the A string. 4th of the D string, and now 6 of the A string, and pinky. Isn't that cool? So you go 7th of the A, 6th of the A, 7th of the low E string with your pinky, and back to the 4th of the A string. So all together. That's pretty cool. If you do that over and over again, it gets the pinky strength. And then it does a little bit more advanced. So that one's cool. So 7th of the A string, 4th of the D string, 6, 7th of the D string, 4th of the D, 6th of the D, and then back to the 4th, and hammer it onto the 6 and pull it off, and the pinky there once again on the 7th of the A string and 4th of the A string right there. So cool. And you can see there, pinky, I didn't even hit the right note right there, just because you got to get into the rhythm. You got to really hit them tight and right. So I'll try it all together. Ready? Very cool right there, ending on the 4th fret. Those are 3 easy ones, but I'll give you a bonus one. Maggie May, D major, to like an E minor, G, D. Maggie May by Rod Stewart, if you heard that one, and it goes. Something like that right there. So you're in D major, take the 3rd fret of the B string and pick it, sideways ever so slightly. Pinky on the 5th fret of the B, and now 2nd fret of the E string, 3rd, 5th fret of that E string right there. So isn't that cool? Walk it down to the 3rd, 2nd, open, 3rd of that E string, 2nd, open of that E string, and back right there. So like that. And if you bring it way up here, you're definitely gonna need your, well, it's harder to get to the pinky. I have to bend my hand so far I can't get to the pinky, but if you were doing it somewhere else like this, you can move it around. So that's a way to just move up and down the fretboard on any of these shapes and keep trying it. They're guaranteed to work out your pinky, get a bunch of strength, and that'll help you do better for more songs in the future. All right, let me know what you think. Hit like on your way out, and I'll catch you around. Thanks.